This is the free motion quilting tutorial for Echo Shortcut. This design is stitched by first stitching a half circle, then pivot and echo that shape, pivot and echo that shape, and that creates your echoes. So this is very, very similar to Echo Shell. There's only one single difference. You're not travel stitching to create your echo. You're just simply creating your half circle and then pivoting to create your echo. So I pivot and I expand the distance between that line and the half circle so that it creates almost the same effect. You can see that this is much, much faster to stitch because I'm not having to travel stitch between the first shape and then the next echo. That's saving me some time, and it also adds kind of a different look to the design. Now, because the way it's designed, because the way it's stitched, this kind of works not really like an echoing design and not really like a pivoting design. I'm going to keep these in the echoing category simply because they look so similar, even though they don't necessarily work exactly the same way. But I just found it so interesting that by changing up the design by one simple way, we came up with an entirely new design. And I mean, yes, it does look quite similar to Echo Shell, but it's a lot faster to stitch, it's easier to stitch, and it really does move a lot quicker too. So here's what it looks like whenever you get down and have filled in a good part of your quilting space. You can see the texture that this creates. It's a nice multi-directional, very moving, flowing texture, and it's quite beautiful. Now this design is going to work in any area of your quilt. So if you want to put this really big over a quilt and stitch it on a large scale so that way it fills the quilt and it's really nice and soft and comfortable, that's going to work great with this design. If you want to make a quilt that's on a very small scale, that's very tight and dense stitching, then this is going to work great for that area too. It really has a limitless potential because you can shrink this down and squish this into complicated areas, or you can expand it and have it cover lots and lots of space. It's entirely up to you. So this is just one kind of variation, one kind of total change from traditional echoing designs. And there's many, many more designs that we can take and play with in this way as well. So here's what it looks like whenever you finish Echo Shortcut. For over 250 videos on free motion quilting just like this one, go to daystyledesigns.com.